Welcome back to Jackalyze, where analysis meets instinct. Today, we're not just talking about trading. We're addressing one of the most critical foundations behind every smart decision: value. Because whether it's friendships, cars, or currencies, everything in life has value. And understanding it is not just useful, it's the bedrock of intelligent investing. As humans, we constantly assign value. We value friends for loyalty, support, and the time we share with them. We value a car based on the brand, the mileage, the number of owners, or even the color. All these factors help us decide, is it worth it? We naturally ask, is it underpriced, overpriced, or fair? And that same mindset applies directly to trading. Here's the strategic mistake many traders make. They jump straight into technical charts, chasing patterns and signals, but they skip the most fundamental question. Is this currency cheap or expensive right now? Behind every price, there's always a story of value. Just like with cars or friendships, the smart trader asks, am I buying a bargain or selling something overpriced? In foreign exchange, value is the estimated worth of one currency against another. What drives that worth? The fundamentals, the underlying forces that shape economies. Just like the condition of a car affects its price, economic conditions define a currency's strength. And that brings us to the three biggest drivers of value. In economics, I call them the three golden forces: GDP, inflation, and interest rates. GDP shows the size and momentum of an economy. Inflation shows how fast prices are shifting. Interest rates show the incentive for investors to hold that currency. Together, these three build a clear framework. They reveal whether an economy is expanding, stabilizing, or faltering. When GDP is strong, inflation is controlled, and interest rates support growth, currencies tend to appreciate. When they break down, currencies follow the same path. Think about it. Would you ever buy a car without checking its history? Then why trade a currency without first knowing its real value? At Jackalyze, we break down fundamentals step by step, not for noise, but for clarity. Because in trading, clarity is leverage. Subscribe now for the next session, where we'll map the economic cycle and show how it drives long-term currency moves. And remember, patience of a jackal, precision of a trader.